Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day today. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be announcing my big makeup giveaway that I've been talking about. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nori, and today, yes, I'm going to go ahead and announce my giveaway. I'm very excited for this video because I love doing giveaways. I've done one before and I love the way that one turned out. And I think I'm just going to keep doing them, like adding things to a box until I think it's time to go ahead and announce it. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you everything that you can win in this giveaway as well as the rules. So make sure to continue watching so that you know how to enter. Okay guys, so I just really first want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to every single person who subscribed to my channel, who supports my content. It really means the world to me. I feel like, I don't know, it's kind of surreal. Like, it feels like I'm talking to friends. I always comment back to anyone who comments on my videos, and I just feel like, oh, because of everything that's going on in the world, we have to do it like remotely on the computer or on the phone. But it honestly feels like I have friends, and I appreciate all of the positive energy surrounding my channel, and I thank you for all the support. Now, I could go on and on, but I just really wanted to say thank you, and I'm going to continue to do more giveaways. So thank you so much for all the love and support, and I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you guys what's gonna be included in the giveaway. Okay, so I thought I would start with my favorite thing ever. If you guys have followed me, you know it's palettes, and I'm gonna show you mine because I don't like opening these up, but these are the 3 palettes that you'll win if you enter this giveaway. Those are yours. They're nice and packaged, so I'm gonna show you mine. So the first one is the Cap Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. This is pretty new to me. I have like 2 brand new eyeshadow tutorials on my channel with this palette in case you guys want some inspiration. But I got this through BoxyCharm. I really love it. You have some really nice beautiful neutrals and just these very gorgeous purples here. Love it. If you watch my tutorials, you'll see how much I fall in love with this palette as I work with it. Really nice palette. The next one is the Ofra Cosmetics Mini Mix Palette Good to Go, and I love this. The 3 of these palettes I did get through BoxyCharm and decided to buy it for you guys. And I love this palette because the shimmers, the highlighters are amazing. The browns are I really like too. The blush and the eyeshadows. This like green over here, it's so pretty. And I just think it's the perfect palette to add to this giveaway because you get eyeshadows, but you also get things, powders like for your face, you know. And the last but not least is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This is also another one of my favorites. Really beautiful color story. You have some really pretty neutrals and like an olive toned story overall. I love it. I have a few tutorials for this one too. I think I have tutorials, yeah, on all of them, yes. I love this palette. It performs so nicely. I love Violet Voss's formula. So I really wanted to include it. Like when I started the giveaway, that's one of the first palettes that I added to the box because I really enjoyed it that much. So these are the 3 palettes. Now let's go on to the next product. Okay, so I have this brush set from Luxie. I'm not gonna touch them. I'm just gonna open it up a little bit. It comes in this little bag, really cute little black bag. And in here you get a total of 5 eyeshadow brushes. And there's a spoolie in there as well, 4 brushes and a spoolie. I use these all the time. I have 2 sets of these, I believe, and I really wanted to include them because I enjoy them so much and they're perfect for eyeshadow. And I also like this little bag too, so that's going to be also included in the giveaway. Another set of brushes in the giveaway is a pretty new one to me. It's the Lavish Cosmetics, I think, brush set. I have the same, everything I have in here I own, so I like to include things in giveaways that I use myself, so I know the formula works well or that it's a good product. But this is a pretty nice eye brush set. You get a total of 5 eyeshadow brushes, which is really nice to create a really beautiful look. And I recently used these and I really enjoyed them. And yeah, I like the color too. I always say that. Very nice brush set. I also included in here a makeup sponge. This is from Billion Dollar Beauty. And this is one of my favorite makeup sponges ever. Mine is really dirty. You can see it there like on the box. I don't want to open it, but it's a really nice makeup sponge. Really, I don't know how to explain a sponge, but it really is a great sponge and I use it all the time with my makeup, and I thought I will include that as well. Then I have the Eloise Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. Really pretty product. The way that they describe it is that you can use it as a highlighter or also like on your body. Very nice, but like not super glittery, which I think is really cool and perfect for summer. Then you have this really pretty highlighter palette from the brand Kinder Beauty. Just a really pretty highlighter palette. You get 4 highlighters in here, a really nice mirror, and I just think it's perfect. It's really adorable and very nice and travel friendly. Okay, in here I have some lip products. This is the Half Caked Beauty Game Changer, like three lip fondant set. If you watch my channel, you know these are my favorite liquid lipsticks ever. I use these constantly. Like, I am obsessed. These are the 3 shades that you get. I love this nude for just everything because it's nice and nudie. The red I use a lot around like the holiday season, and this one is also very beautiful. So you get these 3 very beautiful matte liquid lipsticks. I absolutely adore them, and I'm so happy to be able to include it in this giveaway. I also have this lipstick. Is the MAC Cosmetics Cream Sheen lipstick in the shade Dozen Carnations, which is a really pretty red, very pretty red, and who doesn't love a MAC lipstick? So I love that. I also have 2 gel liners that I am obsessed with. This is a 2 set of blue and pink gel liners. I own these. Anytime I do like colorful looks, this is what I use. So it's from Illuminati Cosmetics, and it's 2 gel liners. One is in electric pink and electric blue. I love these so much. Whenever I do, again, like blue or pink, this is what I go for. Very creamy, pigmented, and really nice to work with, and I'm excited that you guys are going to get this. Next, I have this Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss in this shade Saint Tropez, which I recently wore in one of my eyeshadow tutorials. Really pretty new to me, but I enjoy the formula. It's a lip gloss, but it's very pigmented and very nice and wearable and comfortable on the lips, but it's pretty pigmented, so I enjoy this really a lot. And then I have the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist from Dry Bar. So this is heat protectant that you're supposed to use on dry hair, like when you're going to curl your hair or anything like that. So I own one. I haven't used it yet, but I've heard great things about this product and this brand overall. Then I also have the Mirad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I have one that I haven't tried out yet, but I've also heard amazing things about this product. So whoever gets it, I hope that you enjoy it. Then the last two products is from Ipsy Refreshments. I signed up for the refreshments, which is something where they send you monthly like products for either skin or like wipes, hand cream, even deodorant, and I got like a couple extra months just so I can include it in you guys giveaway because I enjoy it so much. So first is Refreshments Cleansing Face Wipes. I really enjoy these for cleaning my makeup, and they're very nice and gentle. They're not scented, which I like. I have sensitive skin, and I just don't like smells all around me all the time. And I really like that. And I also, this hand cream I absolutely adore. My daughter is obsessed with it. It's a Luscious hand cream in citrus spritz. Smells really good, so I wanted to include it, and then it comes in this cute little bag, and I also wanted to include that. And yeah, guys, those are all the products in the giveaway. I'm very excited to be able to give back to you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and give you the rules so that you can go ahead and enter. Okay, guys, so the rules of the giveaway are, first I'm going to say the giveaway starts today, May 26th, whenever I post this video, whenever I edit it and get it up, and it ends on June 16th, 2021. I would choose the winner and announce it at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the first rule is that you have to be subscribed to my channel, of course. Go ahead and subscribe right away. I will use a random comment generator to choose the winner. So I'm sorry, a lot of people ask me like the last giveaway, please choose me. I can't like make myself choose because I would never be able to. That would be too hard for me. So I use a random comment picker. So I'm not like, it's not up to me. So follow me on Instagram at NorrisBelleKayo. I'll have it linked somewhere on here in the description where the rules will be written out, and yeah, or just search NorrisBelleKayo. But again, if you don't have an Instagram, that's fine. It's better if you follow me on there. It's easier for me, but if you don't have an Instagram, I'll explain the next rule. The way to enter this giveaway is to leave a comment down below letting me know that you like to participate. Include your Instagram username so that I know where to contact you to like find out your address and where to send the package. If you don't have Instagram, then leave a comment letting me know that you like to participate, and also include your email address so that I can contact you through there. So yeah, if you're under the age of 18, please have your parents' permission because, you know, I don't want you to get in trouble. And yes, this giveaway is international. I hope that's all the information that I need to give out because sometimes I get very excited and I talk very fast. But I think that's it. I'm so excited. So you have to do is let me know, oh, I want to participate. I enjoyed the comments from the last giveaway so much, but I felt like I didn't want to make people have to say, you know, a lot if they didn't want to. But I love those comments. But I just, all you have to say is, I want to participate. Here's my Instagram handle, or here's my email. And that's gonna be it. And yeah, guys, good luck to everyone. Again, I'll announce it on June 16th. And thank you for the love and support. I love you guys so much. And thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, because you have to be subscribed to enter the giveaway anyway. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.